Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me. Here we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Indian Express newspaper in the explained section. So come read with me. Now the topic is climate change, deforestation, worsened impact of Southeast Asia cyclones. Now the article explains how climate change and deforestation have amplified the destructive impact of cyclones in Southeast Asia, especially in countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Thailand last month. And the key findings are rising global temperatures have increased heavy rainfall events leading to extreme flooding. Cyclones such as Cyclone Citrang, Cyclone Ditwa, Cyclone Senyar caused disproportionate damage due to warmer sea surface temperature SSTs and in the Indian Ocean. Higher atmospheric moisture, which is every 1 degree Celsius rise, allows air to hold 7% more moisture. Flood levels reached unprecedented proportions with affected countries experiencing annual floods every year instead of occasional events. Now there is a major role of climate change and global warming as well. So Indian Ocean SSTs during 1991 to 2020 were 1% warmer than earlier averages, intensifying cyclones. Climate change increased rainfall intensity, frequency of extreme precipitation, duration of floods. Atmospheric warming accelerates evaporation, feeding more moisture into cyclonic system. And then there is role of the deforestation as well. So that has been mentioned here. Large scale forest loss of plantation, tea, rubber, palm oil, reduced natural water absorbed. Deforestation worsened surface runoff, landslides, flood damage. Example, Sri Lanka lost over 6 lakh hectares of forest cover from 2002 to 2020. And here also in Sri Lanka there were like 1600 people around, they were killed. Okay, role of rapid urbanization is also one of the major causes, which is expansion of cities into floodplains and wetlands, increased vulnerability, destruction of natural drainage systems like canal, wetland, amplified flood intensity, and urban structures failed to withstand extreme rainfall events. Now the impact were thousands of deaths, massive displacement, agricultural loss, over 1.37 lakh hectares affected in some regions, several economic loss, billions of dollars, and long-term livelihood insecurity was also there. So again, climate change, deforestation, urbanization nexus acts as a risk multiplier for disasters. Indian Ocean warming is faster than global average, and higher cyclone rainfall, not necessarily wind speed. Now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this topic. So this becomes highly relevant in GS paper 1 for climatology, impact on climate change. DS paper 2 also it becomes highly important for disaster management frameworks. Then GS paper 3 also it becomes highly important for climate change adaptation, disaster risk reduction. GS paper 4 also it becomes highly important for ethics, and for essay paper also this becomes highly important. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.